One Mizoram police personnel died and 11 got injured in the accident around 1:30 a.m. One vehicle Tata D1 medium truck bearing registration number AS11EC0239 allotted to Mizoram Police 2nd IR Battalion carrying passengers and goods met with an accident at Tamenglong College campus. They were all rushed to district hospital immediately. Unfortunately, among the 11 injured persons, one C516 K. Lalampui of Champhai succumbed to his injuries and was declared brought dead at district hospital. PME could not be conducted at the district hospital, so arrangements were made to conduct PME at Imphal by local police. There are 5 police personnel having serious injuries intended to be referred to Imphal. Investigation on the remaining 5 police personnel is undergoing. Arrangement is also made to airlift the dead body and the 5 persons referred to Imphal today. As per the suggestion of the local authorities, 3 police personnel are to be deployed to be attendant for the 5 persons and also witnesses for PME. It may be stated that D Company and E Company of Mizoram SAPF were given lodging accommodation at Tamenglong College. The entrance of the college is steep and the road is narrow for entry of heavy buses and heavy trucks. So the medium truck which met with an accident was used to transport all the utensils, gas, ride gears, beddings, etc. from the main road. Investigation on the unfortunate incident is being taken up by the local police.